Good morning, scholars. It's Mr. Raposo. So first, Global Lit today, we are going to start Unit 1. So you're going to see a new class today called, it's going to be Global Literacy Unit 1. And in this unit, we're going to learn about ancient India. This will be the first time that we're starting 7th grade material. So we are doing Unit 1. Please remember that. Unit 1, we're starting. Everybody's going to be at 0. And we're starting there today. And what you're going to learn about today is first, ancient India. You're going to learn about the geography, so it's stuff that is still on the earth today. You're going to learn about the Himalaya mountains. You're going to learn about two major rivers, the Indus River and the Ganges River, or Ganges River. The Indus River is the one that's really important because you're going to learn about the first civilization of India, and we call them the Indus River civilization or the Harappan civilization. Okay, so some scientists, some historians use two different names for this group, but they're named the Indus River civilization because they grow on the Indus River. And just like the Nile River last year, the Indus River is really important to these people. It brings them water for their crops, it allows them to trade, okay, gives them water to drink, so it's very important. So this first civilization we're going to learn about. Now, we don't know much about this first civilization, the Indus River Valley civilization or the Harappan civilization. And the reason we don't know a lot about them is because we don't know their writing yet. The Egyptians, we've learned hieroglyphics, we know all about them, we know their rulers, we know everything about them that we can learn about because we know their writing. These people, we don't know their writing. We have their architecture, we have their buildings, we have some of their, artifacts. So we make inferences, we think we know a lot about them, but we don't know everything. Okay, so as you learn about this civilization, just remember we don't know everything about them. We don't know the names of their leaders. Okay, they're a very advanced civilization, and you're going to see a lot about that today. Okay. I don't know the percentage you need to be at because this is the first lesson. Once some people start finishing up this lesson, I'll know what that first number should be. There's going to be three lessons. Okay, there's a warm up, an instruction, and an assignment. There should be no quiz. Okay, so 3 assignments. Make sure you use all of the notes on Edgenuity, the highlighter, all that stuff. Okay. And there's going to be one word that we're going to focus on this morning in the following slides, and that word is going to be a monsoon. And a monsoon is a special type of weather that happens really only in India. Okay, it happens a lot in India. It has to do with the mountains, it has to do with air coming up from the Indian Ocean, and it's going to cause a lot of floods because of really massive rains. Okay, so the ancient Indians are going to have to learn how to live with these monsoons all the time. Okay, because these monsoons bring the water that's so important to the land, but then they are also going to destroy the land too with floods. So it's not easy living there, but the ancient Indian people, the ancient river civilization will learn how to live with these monsoons. Okay, there's a couple of other slides I want you to look at, some things I want you to focus on, some things I want you to remember as you're doing this Edgenuity lesson, because we will have a writing either this afternoon or our next Global Lit class this week. So please remember some of these ideas that I saved. Okay, have a great day. Email me if you have any questions, and have a good day. I'll see you this afternoon in our class.